Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video we are going to be diving deep into a strategy that combines two indicators that are popularly known in the Forex market, and they are none other than the Parabolic SAR and the RSI. Okay, so if you have been struggling to identify trends or find the right entry and exit points, then this strategy might just be what you need. Okay, so make sure you watch until the end, because I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to use these indicators together effectively. And hey, if you find value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest trading strategies. Okay, so for a start, let us add both indicators to the chart. So this is the Parabolic SAR. All right, let me just put the color to the base for easy identification. And then this is the RSI. Okay, so let us start with the basics. For the Parabolic SAR, this indicator is fantastic for identifying trends. All right, as you can see, it plots a series of dots above or below the price chart. Now, if the dots are below the price chart or below the candlesticks, it indicates an uptrend. Okay, if they are above the candlesticks, it suggests a downtrend. All right, pretty straightforward, very straightforward. When you have majority of the dots below the candlestick, emphasis on majority, because when even in a downtrend you will still find the Parabolic SAR appear below when there is a pullback. Okay, and even in an uptrend you will still find the Parabolic SAR appear above when there is a pullback, right? So when you have majority of the Parabolic SAR dots below the candlesticks, it indicates an uptrend. When you have majority of the dots above, it indicates a downtrend. Okay, now let us talk about the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. The Relative Strength Index is your go-to indicator for spotting overbought and oversold conditions. All right, the RSI makes an oscillation. Okay, it oscillates between 0 and 100. All right, with levels above 70 considered overbought and levels below 30 considered oversold. Now together, these indicators, both the Parabolic SAR and the Relative Strength Index, can create a powerful strategy. So why combine these two indicators? Now the Parabolic SAR is great for showing the direction of the trend. As we can see, I already gave a very simple explanation, a very simple way to understand the functionality of this indicator, right? When you have a majority of the dots above, automatically you know that it's a sell trend. When you have majority of the dots below, automatically you know that it is a buy trend. All right, as in this case, right? So when the Parabolic SAR has given you the direction of the trend, then that is where the RSI comes in. Okay, the RSI acts like a second layer of confirmation, letting you know whether the market conditions are favorable for a trade or if you should wait. For example, imagine if you are in an uptrend, all right, confirmed by the Parabolic SAR, but the RSI is sitting above 70. For example, now let us just look at something, right? Let's look at something real quick. Okay, now here, the Parabolic SAR has given us the direction of the trend, right? All the way from here to here. It shows that this was an uptrend. But now, in case of if you wanted to enter this trend, like you wanted to buy, let's say sometime around here, you bought, and the Parabolic SAR was still appearing below the candlestick. So you enjoyed your trade, and maybe you even bought again after you had a little dip. And then you wanted to buy again after you got this dip here, because the Parabolic SAR is still, somewhat below. It was now somewhere around here that it appeared above. But let's just say you wanted to buy after this little dip here, because the Parabolic SAR was still below. If you look at the RSI, the RSI is already in overbought territory. So if you are using the RSI for your confirmation, you will know that this is not a good place to buy. You will know, because RSI will tell you that the market is already overbought. So the RSI is a good confirmation indicator, because it will tell you that the market could reverse anytime soon, right? And you can see that there was a reversal. In fact, there was even, a strong reversal. Is quite a strong one. You can see how this bearish move was even strong, and the RSI went down into the oversold territory. So when you want to enter a trade, make sure you confirm the trend direction with the RSI, with the Parabolic SAR, and then confirm your entry with the RSI. Okay. So when you have gotten your confirmation, for example, let us look at this example here, right? In this case now, we had a buy signal first, and we had around this point, we had RSI in the oversold territory, crossed above the 30, pointing upwards. So that confirmed our buy. We could have considered buying around here, set stop loss below the swing low, and for our take profits, we can just wait for when the Parabolic SAR appears above the candlesticks. All right, and then we exit our buy trade. Then for the sell, we had the Parabolic SAR appear above the candlesticks. That's a sell signal, and then at the same time we had the RSI above the overbought, within the overbought territory and pointing downwards. So that was a confirmation of the sell. So we could have considered selling around here, setting stop loss above the swing high, and then for our take profit, we can just wait for the Parabolic SAR to appear below the candlesticks and use that to exit our sell. All right. Now remember, you can also decide to use support and resistance levels to exit your trades. You can mark out key support and resistance zones on your chart, and then use those levels to determine your exit points. Okay. And you can also decide to add on other indicators for extra confirmation, right? You can just decide to add on maybe moving averages or MACD or any other indicator of your choice, just to add a layer of confirmation to your signals. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make the most of this strategy. First of all, always use a stop loss. Even the best strategies can have losing trades, so protect your capital. Secondly, backtest the strategy on historical data to build confidence before going live. Thirdly, combine this strategy with other tools like support and resistance levels for better results. All right. So that is it for this video. The Parabolic SAR and RSI combination is a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you make more informed trading decisions. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel to grow. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest strategies. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading.